Hello my students, how are you? Today we'll solve weekly assessment number 9. Okay, grade 3, listen to me about question number 1, model A. Okay, which of the following rectangles has the same area? First rectangle has 2 dimensions, 4 and 3. 4 times 3 here is 12. Then 2 times 6 is 12. 1 times 12 is 12. Then all equivalent. Then we must choose letter D here, all of the above. So the area of each one equal 12 square units. Okay, next question, number 2. If a rectangle is divided into two parts, 3 times 5 and 3 times 2, the total area of rectangle equal. Okay, look at here. We have rectangle divided two parts, like this. The first dimensions about first we have 3 and 5 and 3 and 2. Like this, we have here 2 parts and here 5 parts and 3. The first area 3 times 5 is 15 and second area 2 times 3 is 6. Then we can write 3 times 5 8 to 3 times 2. First area length times width. Length times width 5 times 3 is 15 and 2 times 3 6. 6 plus 15 equal 21. Then the answer letter C, 21 square units. Next question, number 1. Here, look at her. A rectangle has length of 6 units and width 2 units. Find the area. We have 2 dimensions, 2 units and 6 units. We want to find the area. The area equal length times width. Length here 6 times 2 is 12 square units. It's area 1. We want to draw another rectangle by 2 dimensions, but product of them equal 12. We can choose here 4 and 3. 4, the length 4 units and 3 units. Okay, the 2 dimensional length will be 4 units and width will be 3 units. Why? Because the area 2 will be 3 times 4, it's equivalent to 12 square units. Understood? And we can write another rectangle by 2 dimensions, 4 and 3. The length will be 4 units and width 3 units. Because the area 2 will be 12 square units, equivalent area 1. Next question, number 2. Rectangle of length 9 units is divided into parts 5 and 4. Like this, we have rectangle 2 dimension, first 9 and second or 3 lengths, like this. And we divided 9 equal 2 parts 5 and 4. Then the first area 5 times 3 and second area 4 times 3. Okay, 3 times 5 is 15, length by width and length by width, and here 3 times 4 12, then the answer will be 27. Then the area will be 27 square units. Next question, number 3. Using number of row here, number of column to find the area. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. The length here 4. Then the area equal length times width. The length was 4 units and width 3 units. 4 times 3. 3 times 4 is 12 square units. Next question, letter B. If the area divided two parts 4 times 6 and 4 times 2, we want to find the total area. The total area 4 times 6 is 24 and 2 times 4 8. 24 plus 8 equals 32 square units. Choose letter C. Next question. Which rectangle don't have an area 20? We know 4 times 5 20, but 3 times 6 is 18. Then we must choose 3 times 6 because it tells us in the example doesn't have an area. Okay, choose letter B. Next question. Rectangle form 5 rows and 6 square columns. What's the area? We know the area of rectangle equal the number of rows product the number of columns. Then the area equal 5 product by 6 is 30 square units. Number 2. Draw shape of 3 rows and 6 square columns. We can draw like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and divided vertical 6 square units. Like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then we can calculate the area, write 6 product by 3. Then the total area x 6 product by 3 equal 18 square units. Next question, number 3. Nurhan divided rectangle lengths of 8 units to parts 3 and 5, like here, and the width was 7 lengths, like this. Okay, this 8 and this 7 units, like this. And she divided 8 to parts 3 and 5. This 3 parts, and here 5 parts. Then the area 3 times 7 is 21. And 5 times 7 equals 35. Then we can write 3 product by 7. 8 to 5 times 7. 3 times 7 21 and 5 times 7 35. 5 plus 1 is 6. 2 plus 3 is 5. Then the answer here will be 56. 56 square units. Okay. Model C, rectangle with length 6 units and width 2 units, which the four rectangle have the same area. We know the area of this rectangle length 2 widths. 6 by the width 2, then 6 times 2 is 12 square units. We know 12 equivalent by what? Equivalent 3 by 4. Then we must choose letter B, because 3 times 4 is 12. Choose letter B. An array formed 5 rows. Each row has 6 square areas. What is the area of array? We can find the number of rows product by the number of columns. Right, 5 product by 6 is 30 square units. Next question. Rectangle with width 5 units and length is divided into 2 and 3 units. Calculate area. We have here 2 dimensions, 5 and also 5, because the 2 dimensions here of length in divided 2 and 3, 3 squared. We convert from rectangle to square because 2 dimensions are equality. Okay, this 5 and this divided 2 parts, 2 and 3, like this. 2 and 3. Then the first area, length times width, 5 times 2 and 5 times 3. 5 product by 3, length by width. 5 times 2 is 10 and 3 times 5 15. We can collect the area will be 25 square units. Number 4. Rectangle has 7 rows and 6 columns. What is the area? Then the area equal length times width. 3 times 7 is 21 square units. Number 5. Use this drawing here to find area using the number of row, number of columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the area equals 6 product by 1, 2, 3. We have 3 here. 6 and 3 equal 21, 18 square units. And the area will be 18 square units. Okay, product means and width. Number of row products, the number of columns.